AI tools are everywhere, but Genspark AI Workspace 2.0 has been getting massive buzz recently, promising to boost productivity, automate tasks, and centralize all your AI workflows in one place. If you're thinking AI but smarter and faster, that's exactly the vibe the marketing wants you to feel. Before we go further, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling this product. I'm reviewing it so you know what it actually does versus what the ads claim. Because with AI platforms especially, hype can grow faster than reality. So what exactly is Genspark AI Workspace 2.0? In essence, it's a cloud-based AI productivity suite that combines tools for writing, data processing, project management, automation, and more, all under one dashboard. The idea is that instead of juggling 5 different apps or plugins, you can get your content generation, analytics, scheduling, and collaborative workflows handled inside one environment. In practice, that's partially true. The interface is clean and surprisingly intuitive, even if you're not tech-savvy. Tasks like drafting emails, generating marketing copy, and organizing workflow templates are smooth and often faster than manual work. But when it comes to more complex tasks, like nuanced analysis, intricate project automation, or deep integrations with external enterprise systems, the platform still relies on pre-built templates and prompts, meaning you sometimes hit limits unless you customize heavily. So while beginner-friendly and highly capable for general use, advanced users with specialized needs might feel constrained without extra tweaking. Here's the honest verdict. Genspark AI Workspace 2.0 is a solid all-in-one hub that delivers real value, but it's not a magic AI that replaces expertise. If you're a freelancer, small team, or creator who wants a central place to draft content, organize projects, automate repetitive tasks, and experiment with AI, this can save time and reduce the tool hopping that slows people down. The learning curve is mild, the UI feels modern, and basic to intermediate tasks are genuinely more efficient. But if you're expecting enterprise-level automation or cutting-edge proprietary AI that outperforms specialized tools, that's overselling what it currently offers. This is a productivity accelerator, not a replacement for deep domain expertise or custom development. Bottom line, great for everyday use and workflow efficiency. Helpful, not miraculous. If this review helped you cut through the marketing and decide more confidently, make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'll keep breaking down AI tools so you know what's actually worth your time.